Hello guys and welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about Zendesk Action Automation for Workflows, which is one of our tools that's going to help you automate actions directly from your workflow for your Zendesk platform. So how do you set it up? Inside your sub account, come down here at the app marketplace and then you search for the app. You go on Zendesk, install, allow install. There's a token required. And if you notice, we have a smart queue here that's going to guide you how to get that token. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our Zendesk platform in order to get it. Inside the platform, you come here at the Zendesk products. You come here at settings and you scroll down here and out. You go on developer apps, add access token. You can type a description. You just do this. We save, we copy the token, we paste it, we go and continue. We have a plan. We select, we go and confirm. Of course, we're not going to confirm because we're going to be charged, but that's pretty much it, guys. Once you confirm, you go and complete installation and you have uninstall, which means the tool is already connected to your Zendesk platform and you guys are now ready to execute the actions directly from your workflow for your Zendesk account. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching this video, guys.